Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be explaining, can you refund Discord Nitro? So if you go onto Google and you type in Google refund Discord Nitro, you're going to get this result from the official Discord webpage, support.discord.com. So if I just go ahead and click on this link, it's going to tell me a few things about refunding Discord Nitro. So it just goes on to explain it, but you need to scroll down a bit where it says our Nitro and server boost refund policy. We're able to process a refund for your Nitro and server boost subscription as long as the request is made within 5 days from your initial purchase date. So that's the most important thing to remember. If you bought a Discord Nitro or a server boost subscription and within 5 days you want to get a refund, you can do that. But as soon as it's the 6th day and you want to get a refund, you won't be able to, because that falls out of the policy. So that's the answer in a nutshell. Now the process of how to actually refund Discord Nitro will be a different topic for a different video, so make sure you subscribe for that. But that is the short answer. Yes, you can get a refund, but it has to be within 5 days of your initial purchase. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.